People, it's that time again, that time of year. College terms. Guys, we over here in UCF area. This is how these new college dorms look. Some of them have stainless steel. These ones have the black, older ones, but you can see the granite countertops. You know, the nice light fixtures. You got flat screen TVs. You know, this little sofa. So this is the college life, man. This is just an example of one dorm. See, this is apartment right here. Vacant C and D. Each one of them has bathroom, their own bathroom. Look at that. Booyah. So, you see that, bro. That's that money. Contact me if you want to know what apartment this is. It's near UCF. So we gotta hit these carpets up. That's what we gotta do. Yeah, guys, so I've been kind of dealing with some toothaches. Last week, I was under the weather. So I've been going through it, you know, but we're gonna make it happen. I gotta do B. So when we come into the unit, A always starts on the left-hand side and it comes around. So I got A, B, C, and D. So that's how we know. All right. All right, so time to get rock and rolling. These are just early move-ins, basically. So after I get this done, I gotta do 1024. Get it rock and rolling. It's a beautiful day though. That's my van right there. About to pull some hoses. Get it rock and rolling, guys. So you know it's back to school, so it's about to be like go gadget every day. Let's go, baby. So, all right, guys, peace. We're about to get rock and rolling, man.